So you've decided to sell your house. There's no other way to say this. It stinks keeping your house show ready, right? Every time you leave the house, you could have a showing that day. You've got to put your cereal bowl in the dishwasher or wash it in the sink and put it away. You've got to make your bed. You've got to keep up vacuuming. You've got to make sure that the house is picked up. You've got to fold your laundry. You can't let that go. You've got to keep the sidewalks swept. You've got to keep the yard mowed. It really is a pill, and I apologize in advance for how much effort it is. And it's just one of those things that you've got to go through. Because, as we talked about previously, condition is one of the things that gives us the best price. Because we can't change the location, so condition is a big deal. We've got to keep your house show ready. And so, of course, if you've got any questions on what that means or what that looks like, you can obviously always ask your agent. But it needs to look perfect all the time. And so it is what it is, and I'm sure you're going to do an awesome job and you're going to get as much money as you possibly can for your house.